In this video, I'm going to show you how to start your own faceless YouTube channel step by step without showing your face and without using your voice, just by using free AI website. Okay, so let's get started. So I found this faceless YouTube channel, as you can see, about health, that is posting videos about health, as you can see, and those videos getting millions of views. So for example, this one 5 million views, this one 4 million views, 4 million views. And as you can see, those are faceless YouTube videos. They don't show their face on the videos or use their voice. Easy and simple. I'm gonna show you how you can make like this video. Okay, so for example, like this video, as you can see, what happens to your body when you start eating honey. This video got 3 million views 8 months ago. This one, 11 facts about coffee you had no idea about, 2 million views. And as you can see, those videos are still getting views. So of course those videos making a lot of money for the owner of this faceless YouTube channel. So let me show you, for example, this video over here with 3 million views. What happens to your body when you start eating honey? If you go to this website, check is this channel monetized.com. As you can see, this is the same video over here with 3 million views, and as you can see, this video has generated $9,000 just from one single video. And of course this video has generated more, because you should know that healthy niche has a high RPM. Okay, it's like finance niche. So this video can generated $61,000. Even if just $9,000, that's a lot of money. But of course this video can got like between $10 and $20 per 1,000 views, because it's in healthy niche, and like I said, healthy niche has high RPM. Okay, so as you can see, that's a lot of money. Even $9,000, that's a lot of money. So let me show you how you can make like these videos, as you can see, and there are a lot of videos here that got millions of views. So of course this YouTube channel is making more than 10k per month just by uploading those healthy niche YouTube videos. Okay, so let's make like this video exactly like this one. What happened to your body when you start eating honey? What you need to do is you need to start with YouTube script. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to go to Google and search for ChatGPT. Okay, we will use ChatGPT to create our YouTube script. So you just need to sign up. The sign up process is super easy and simple. You can just use your email address, scroll down, and I'm gonna ask him make YouTube. Okay, make an engaging YouTube script about, and let's go to this video over here. So I will click on the video and I will copy his title to make this YouTube script. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this title like this. Then you will go to ChatGPT and I will put this title here. Okay, make an engaging YouTube script about what happens to your body when you start eating honey. Click over here and here you go. ChatGPT will start creating your YouTube script. As you can see, they will give you steps: step number 1, step number 2, segment number 2, 3, and so on. Okay, as you can see, I'm gonna stop this script over here just to show you guys. This is your title, the sweet truth about what happens to your body when you start eating honey. Introduction, segment 1, the birth of. Okay, so let's copy segment number 1. What you need to do, is you just need to copy your YouTube script. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this part to show you guys. Okay, so like I said, what you need to do now is you need to turn this YouTube script into voiceover. So just go to Google and search for 11 labs. Search for 11 labs. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click, scroll down and put your YouTube script here. This is my YouTube script about honey. What happened to your body when you start eating honey. Then you can click over here and you can choose which voiceover you want to use for your YouTube video. Okay, they have different voiceovers here. I'm gonna just keep using this one. Scroll down and click over here on generate, and here you go, your YouTube script will be voiceover.
Segment 1. The buzz on honey's nutritional power. Honey isn't just a delicious treat, it's also packed with essential nutrients that provide...
As you can see, what you need to do next is you need to click on this icon over here, and here you go, your voiceover will be downloaded to your laptop. So what you need to do now is you need to turn this voiceover into an engaging YouTube video. So what you need to do is you just need to go to Google and search for Canva. We will use Canva to turn this voiceover into a YouTube video. It's really easy and simple. Go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Okay, so what you need to do next is you just need to click over here on a video. Okay, you can see a video over here. Click on video, then you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, so what you need to do now is you need to click over here on upload, click on upload file, and you need to upload your voiceover to your Canva account. Okay, so I will upload my voiceover. This is my voiceover over here. Click on open, and here you go, your voiceover will be over here. Click on your voiceover. Your voiceover will be under this page. As you can see, click over here on add page. Okay, and keep adding more page that will be matched with your voiceover. Okay, like this. Okay, then you can swipe left, go to the first page, click on the first page, click over here on elements, click on the search for honey, because this video is about honey. Click over here on videos, and here you go, you will find a lot of videos about honey. So for example, I want to start with this one. Just click on the video that you want to use. Your video will be in the first page over here. Click on these 3 points and click on set the video as background. Okay, so let me see, then click here. Okay, you need to make this video short. Click here and swipe left like this. Okay, it's easy and simple. Make it short. Click on the next page and add different video about honey. Okay, I will add this one here. 3 points, set the video as background again, make it short. Next page, scroll down, add different video. Okay, then the next 3 points, set the video as background, make it short. Okay, like this. Click on the next page, add another video about honey, go to set video as background. It's really easy and simple to start Faceless YouTube channel just by using this method. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this one here, and you just need to keep using this method. Then I'm gonna show you how you can edit this video. Okay, so let's add another video about honey. You just need to scroll down, you will find a lot of videos here on Canva about honey. As you can see, I will add this one here like this, then I will make it short. I will click on the next page, scroll down, and add another video like this. Make it short. So you should make it short and add different videos, okay, so viewers can enjoy watching your videos. Okay, that's why you should add in different videos. And here you go. So what you need to do, so after you finish, swipe left. Okay, swipe left, go to the first page, click on add transition. Between first two page, click on add transition. Then choose which transition you want to add between your videos to make your videos more engaging and professional. Okay, so for example, I will choose this transition. Just click over here on apply between all page, and your transition will be applied between all your page. Okay, so I'm gonna not use any transition now because I need to finish this video. For you, you should use it. So now let's check this video, guys. So let's see, and let me know in the comments what's your opinion.
Segment 1. The buzz on honey's nutritional power. Honey isn't just a delicious treat, it's also packed with essential nutrients that provide a host of health benefits. Did you know that honey contains enzymes, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals? These nutritional powerhouses contribute to its incredible effects on your body. Honey and energy boost. Need an energy pick-me-up? Look no further than honey. When you consume honey, its natural sugars are quickly absorbed by your body, providing a rapid source of energy. Say good.
And here you go, guys. As you can see, I just made Faceless YouTube video like this one in this Faceless YouTube channel. Okay, I will click over here on popular to show you. So let me see, like this one over here. What happened to your body when you start eating honey? This video got 3 million views, still getting views as you can see, and of course this video has made a lot of money for the owner of this YouTube channel, Faceless YouTube channel. 11 facts about coffee you had no idea about, like this one. I can make like this one, like this one. I can make all like those videos here, okay, just by using this method that I show you. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, at least just like this video, share this video with your friend if they are anyone who is interested to start Faceless YouTube channel but he don't have any money to invest in voiceover, script writer, and video editor. Just use this method that I show you in this video and you can start making Faceless YouTube videos just in few minutes and upload those videos to your YouTube channel. Stay consistent if you want to grow fast so you can start making money with YouTube. Okay, after you finish, click over here on share, click on download. This video will be downloaded to your laptop, then go start uploading Faceless YouTube videos to your YouTube channel. Start your YouTube channel. If you are interested to start YouTube, you don't need to show your face or use your voice, just use this method. And see you in my next video. If you have any question, guys, if you are interested to start with any niche, just leave it in the comments, and if there are a lot of people who are interested in this niche, I'm gonna show you how you can start with $0. Okay,